Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do screen recording in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, go to Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and search with the term screen recorder. Screen recorder. And select this one and click on install. Wait few seconds for downloading and installing. Just wait. 6.97 MB. It's installing. Just wait. A14 does not have inbuilt screen recorder, so you got to use screen recorder app. Just wait, it's installing. Yes, installation is finished, and click on open and give all permission. Click on continue, click on allow. And go back. Turn on this button, then go back. Give all permissions. Yes, now you can start screen recording. Click on start now. So within 3 seconds screen recording will be started. So whatever you go in your mobile screen, that will be recorded in an order. I go to settings page of my phone and now I take a screenshot. So whatever you do, that will be recorded. And to stop screen recording, go to the notification area, and here you can pause the screen recording. You can also resume screen recording if you want. If you want to completely stop, click here and it will be stopped, and it will be creating video. Yes, video is saved, and this is the video. So whatever you go in your mobile screen, yes, it's playing now. So in this way, you can easily do screen recording in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.